Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to draw arrow in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I already draw one arrow. So let's see how it's drawn. So simply go to the Insert tab. In Illustration group, click on the Shapes options. In Shapes, in Lines, select the arrow, line arrow. Okay. You can easily drag with the mouse and you can draw here. But if you want a straight arrow, simply press the shift key, then drag with the mouse. Okay, again I go to the Insert tab, click on the shapes, click on the arrow. Then I here press the shift key, then drag with the mouse to straight arrow. Okay, here you can see the arrow is straight. To increase the thickness of this arrow, simply right click on this arrow, select the arrow, right click on it, and click on the Format Shapes option. And here the Format Shapes is open. To increase the thickness, you can see here the line option. In line, click on the width. Width is a 0.5 pt. You can increase the, just click on this arrow. The thickness of arrow will increase. See the changes over here. Okay. To change the color of this arrow, select the colors options and select the color those you want to change. And that's it. Here you can see the thickness and color is changed. Okay. That's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.